Hello and welcome to Hardware Husky. Today I'll be replacing my creative Gigaworks T40 Series I with the new T40 Series II. Here we have the T40 Series II, and on the side of the box what do we have? It has a free driver design, audio driver configuration, it has a bass export technology for enhanced bass, no subwoofer required. On the back here, it goes more in depth about the free driver design, explained as a mid-woofer with a tweeter in the middle and another mid-woofer on the outside. First up, we have cloth dome tweeters for clear, accurate highs. We have a woven glass cone driver for accurate, enhanced lower frequency response. Here we goes on about the mid-range tweeter, mid-range audiophile design, the bass export, convenient front access controls, and games console TV adapter. On the side it just shows the speakers next to a couple of monitors, and we're back to the front again. Okay, let's get these babies out of the box. Inside the box, let's get it open. In the middle we have a cardboard box. Let's pull this out and see what's inside here. Okay, oh, it's got a bit of tape on it. Let me cut this quickly. There we go. Okay, inside we have some screws, the adapter, the mini jack cable. We have, what is it? Oh, the stand for the speakers. And lastly, the AC cable and the power plug. Okay, let's get these all to one side before we get the speakers out. And now the first speaker is nicely wrapped in bubble wrap, very secure. Let's get this baby unwrapped. And this sellotape is quite strong. And here we go. I'm just going to get it out. Okay, first look at the speaker. It looks pretty much like the old one, except for it's got the black front. It's got some bigger dials. It looks largely the same, front and back, apart from the black. Let's get this other one out. The left speaker has a cable attached to it to join it up to the right speaker. Not much on the back, and on the front is plain. Okay, here they are. Let's take off the speaker grills and see what they look like. That's much better. Yeah, I like the look of these speakers. I prefer them much more than the old ones. The black is so much nicer than the grey. Here they are, side by side. I definitely prefer the black ones. The speakers stand up pretty well by themselves without the bass, but I'm going to put the bass on for extra security. Or to fit it, you stick it on the bottom, get the screw, wind it in a couple of turns by hand, then do up with a screwdriver. Now that's done, let's give it a little wobble. Yeah, that's definitely much more sturdier than the without the bass. So on to the next one. It's just rinse and repeat. With the power of editing, I've sped this bit up as you don't want to see me screw a bass on twice in full time. And there you go, all done. Now looking at the accessories, we have the dual RCA to stereo adapter for the TV. We have a 3.5mm stereo to stereo cable, the power supply adapter and the plug for it. And now peel time. Comparing them side by side, the main differences are the buttons here, and then the input port here where the LED is on the old one. Also, the bass port on the top is a different shape. This is probably why the Series II has much better bass response than the Series I. Another difference is the power supply. The old one was a really small, heavy little cube, and it was quite annoying to place as the cable lengths were fixed. The newer one is a laptop style one, and you can get a longer plug if required. Visually, the Series 2's black gloss front looks much better than the Series 1's grey, but also the sound quality is much better. The lows are much deeper, the highs are much clearer, and the mid-range is much clearer, especially with vocals. With me having the Series 1s for about 10 years now, the Series 2 had a lot to live up to, but they didn't disappoint. They look visually a lot better, and somehow they sound a lot better too. I highly recommend them if you're thinking about getting them. And that's it for Hardware Husky. Please subscribe, like and comment, and I'm gonna leave you with a little bit of outro.